Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Do Nice, and remember, you are nice. Today we're making another skateboard recycling drip to add to the collection of the rainbow drip we did last time. I'll put a link in the video somewhere around here or there. And I just want to make an entire collection of them. So I already have 6 decks ready to go. The only thing I still need to do is just sand them down. And with these two I still need to take off like the sticker residues, and then we're good to go. Sand them down. This one's a black one, so that's why I want to use a black background for this one. I think black and gold, one black and white, and then we have one I still don't know what I'm about to do with it, and these two are going in white and white with the black drips and white with gold drips. If you have any color combinations you want to see me do, or you want for yourself that I can make for you, let me know in the comments down below, and we're going to make that color for you. Alright. Okay, step 1 done. I sanded the boards down as you just saw. They're both smooth. This one's okay on the back side, the grip tape, but this one still is a bit red. This grip tape was from a weird era. We have some Cowboys from Hell in there, Pantera boys, Bob Marley, just to keep the peace and love right in the skate park. And number 12 was a crazy number for us. We had so much fun with it. I ain't gonna tell you why, because yeah, it's something between the boys, but we went like 12. I ain't telling you more. So let's get to the point where we are going to lay our first layer of rattle can spray paint, and then we have to wait a little bit, and then we can put on the acrylic drip. So let's go. Since I'm doing this indoors, remember to wear a mask. I'm running out of so much smoking here. I have one problem, and that is that I'm running out of spray can paint. I didn't expect it would take that much paint. Alright, great news you guys. Today I printed a new mount for a new mount for my webcam, my GoPro, my whatever it chose to show. Recap. Alright guys, great news. Finally I have my 3D printed mount for my GoPro. So now the angles will be better. Y'all have higher quality since I don't have to zoom from like half meter or meter onto my paintings. I can just get it on the right screen and go.
I think I need to do a black base coat and then go over with a white coat again, because I keep on seeing my old print in there. So let's do black.
Alright, number 1 is going gold. Oh no. Okay, this is deck 1. I'm going to set it aside. Okay guys, time for the black. So that went a little bit sideways. Literally the boards should have been horizontally, but as you have seen in the first drip I did with the gold, it immediately gave a big splash, and that's not what I wanted. So I tilted the boards vertically, and I did with the boards what I'm going to do with my next paintings. It worked out a little bit different than expected, but I also expected it, and you know why? Because boards have a concave, so they're not like a flat out board where paint drips in straight lines. It follows the curve of the board. That's pure natural flow. All good, I'm all cool with it. If you got some skateboard decks and you don't know what to do with them, hit me up in my DMs and I'll come get them and make some projects with them. If you want your own drip deck, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get you one. Alright, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of the Drippy skateboard art. We're going to make a whole lot more of those Drippy decks. Let me know in the comments down below which colors you may want to see on a Drippy deck color. For sure I'm going to do a black series. I already got the white series. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.